students, I am your JAHEER Sir and welcome to the JAHEER Sir's math class. Today we are going to discuss one important topic, which is here, if a power m is equal to a power n, then m equal to n. If the bases are equal, then the exponents must be equal. Means here bases are equal, that's why exponents also equal. Is it true for every situation? No, it is not equal for three values of a. Yes, what are the values of a which are not satisfy this condition? Okay, if a equal to 0, for example, a equal to 0 means 0 power 15. This value also equal to 0, 0 power 20. This value also equal, 0. Now, from this, what we got here? Bases equal, so exponents equal. 15 equal to 20, is it true? No, this one is false. Means, a value is not equal to 0. Okay. Now, second one, if a equal to 1, then what happened? This one also same. 1 power 20 is equal to 1 power, for example, 25. Here also bases equal. Is it exponents equal? 1 power 20 means 1. 1 power 25 also 1. We can write exponents 20, 25. Then bases equal. That's why exponents also equal. This one also false. What it means? A value does not equal to 1. Here also same. This value also 0. This value also 0. Here this value 1. This value 1. Okay. Now, if third condition, if a equal to minus 1, if minus 1, then what happens? For example, minus 1 equal to minus 1. Both sides, if we took here, both sides take a odd number as exponent. Here 5, here 7 I took. Now this value also minus 1 and this value also minus 1. Here bases also equal, so in this condition exponents are equal. No, this one, in this situation also this property is not satisfied. Means a is not equal to minus 1. Means if a power m is equal to a power n, then m equal to n is true for only remaining values. A value is not equal to 0, a value is not equal to 1, a value is not equal to minus 1. In these three values, this property is not true. Okay, whenever you write this one, you should mention these three values. Means a is not equal to 0, a is not equal to 1, a is not equal to minus 1. This is the condition, definite condition. I hope you understood. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.